الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم ملك يوم.
Assalamu alaikum, my people. May Allah bless every of you. And as you see this video, I would like you to help me share this video because information is power. You see this video as it's playing now. I cut just 10 seconds because of copyright. Each time I post that music, that recitation, I get copyright notification. So that is the reason why I cut the 10 seconds to use, and I'm praying that this 10 seconds is allowed. So this video you are looking at, you look at the birds that fly. They don't have houses, they only have nests. Human beings live, human beings has more